Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Paul Mitchell, the founder of Cloud Accounting Academy. At Xero, we are big believers in using cloud technology to unlock efficiency and power small business success. Every week, we hear success stories from small businesses and advice about how using apps has helped them to do just that. Growing our thriving app ecosystem is a journey Xero has been on for over a decade. After opening our APIs, application program interface, in 2009 to a handful of developers, it was in 2011 we certified our very first application, which is why 10 years on, we rapt to announce that we have passed a milestone in the growth of our platform with over 1,000 connected apps in our ecosystem. You can check out many of these apps in the Xero App Marketplace. In the early days, we knew we couldn't believe every niche feature a small business needed to succeed ourselves. So we encourage other innovators to build them and integrate with Xero, so our subscribers could reap the benefits that help from the foundation for the global small business platform Xero is today, which allows our 2.7 million global subscribers to pick and choose from over 1,000 applications to create their own customized cloud solution to suit their unique needs. So why we are so passionate about the apps and our community? Since our humble beginnings, we have been on a mission to get more applications into the hands of small businesses and their advice, because we know they not only help other businesses survive but thrive. During the vast challenges of 2020, the power of applications became more apparent than ever. We saw a surge in demand for cloud technology as small businesses reached for the tools they needed to stay operational, and we were proud the Xero App Marketplace was there to support, with apps to help with everything from cash flow management to moving sales online. We know for some small businesses, it was the technology they used that helped make all the difference. Xero's Pandemic Insight Report found during the peak of COVID-19's impact, small businesses using apps lost less revenue and suffered fewer staff losses compared to those not using apps. Our application partners are central to helping us make life better for people in small businesses, their advice and communities around the world. With many of our 1,000 application partners being small businesses themselves, it's been amazing to see the power of this community innovating to help other business succeeds. So if you would like to learn more about Xero, so you can enroll for our Xero Certified Advice course with Cloud Accounting Academy. Contact us on 076 717 6716. So until we meet again with another video like this, stay safe, stay limitless. If you like our YouTube channel, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure you hit the bell notification, so whenever I post a video, you will get the notification. Until then, stay strong, stay limitless.